Hello everyone, welcome back to N Creation. Today we are going to read a work which was written by T.S. Eliot, Murder in Cathedral. So this is a work by T.S. Eliot, and today in this video we are going to talk about the short summary of Murder in Cathedral. So if we talk about this work, so this work is written in 1935 and T.S. Eliot wrote it in Cambridge and published in the same year. So the setting of this work is in the Canterbury, and the main characters, if we see that main character of this work is Thomas Becket and Henry II of England. So this work was divided into two parts, and after first part there was an interlude. In interlude we know that there was something done to relax the audience, like some music is played, some comedy is done, and after interlude there was a second part. So this work is in two parts. So the work's story start with a chorus. Chorus is of a woman's group who was so much sad because the Archbishop Thomas Becket went to France for 7 years because of the conflict with Henry II on some policies of his. There was a conflict. Thomas Becket was not agreeing on the policies of Henry II, so he went away from there and went to France for 7 years. After some time, there in the story we see the three priests are coming. They are also sad because they also like Thomas Becket, and they also be happy because they says that if Thomas Becket will live here, then after some conflicts with or some arguments with Henry II, then Henry II will kill him. So it is good that he is not in the England, he went to France. If we live in the England, so there can be much more arguments between both of them, and it can be cost his life also. So they were happy and sad both. After some time, the Thomas Becket came to England. So after some time, Thomas Becket came to England, and when he came to England, he see four tempter are welcoming him. The fourth tempter in the fourth tempter, the first tempter asked Thomas Becket to recognize his past memories with the Henry II, past happy memories, that how they worked together in the past. But Thomas Becket rejected his wish because he says that it was all in the past and I have to focus on the future. And well, the first chapter only says that you have to settle your issues with the Henry II, because there was a good friendship between you both in the past, so you should settle it. But Thomas Becket rejected it. After a second tempter came and said him that you should get your chancellor post back, but Thomas Becket rejected it because he says that he wanted the post of archbishop. He thinks that archbishop post is much better than the chancellor. In the past, he had the both of the posts, but he have to left off. So he rejected the second tempter's wish also. After a third tempter came and said him to settle his issues with the king, but Thomas Becket rejected this wish also. Then fourth tempter came and he says that you should become a martyr for this country and show off your death. But Thomas Becket rejected it, that he didn't want to be the show of martyr. He wishes if he will die for the country. It was a proud moment for him, but he don't want to show off that he is martyr for this, and he has given his life for them. So he don't want to show off that all. So Thomas Becket rejected the wishes of all four tempter. After it, when the Henry II know about that Thomas Becket has come back to England, then he sent four knights to kill him. So four knights go and attack on the Becket, and the four knights first criticize him that he is a terrorist. Uh, he that he is disloyal to the king and his policies. He had always been disagree with the Henry II policies. He never supported him. So when the four knights go there, first they criticize him very badly, and after it they attack on him and murdered Thomas Becket. So this was a short story, short summary of this work, The Murder in the Cathedral. So in this, if we see in the title also, The Murder in the Cathedral, the murder was done of Thomas Becket. So Thomas Becket was murdered in this work because of his disagreement with Henry II's policies. So this was a short summary of this play, Murder in the Cathedral. I hope you are liking this video, and stay tuned for another videos. And if there is any mistake, then please correct me in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.